Welcome to Blogging Mantra YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain you the best highest paying ad network, affiliate ad network. If you can't getting the AdSense approval on your blog or website, so this ad network is very good for affiliate. Okay, and you will get a is compared to AdSense earning. I will just show you my payment proof. I have just received 2 times of payment, $10 for each time, and month they will provide a weekly payment. If you get a payment threshold $10, you will easily get a payment. Okay, so weekly payment here option available by using PayPal or Pioneer also, and I have using its ad in my movie website movieshdflex.com. Here is the ad. This type of ad will be shown in your movie website. So if you have a movie website or any type of download website, so this ad network is very important because the its ad is something like download link. This is the ad. Okay, advertica.com. So easily user can click here and you will definitely get a revenue from this ad network. So I am getting weekly payment from this ad network, and you will see that I have received 2 times of payment and this January month only, and $10, $10.23. So and right now my payment is 7.53, and just weekly daily basis I am getting point $1, $2. You will get here the idea about how I am getting earning from this fully report. I will just show you, and today's and last 7 days I will just show you the full report of mine. So 21,000 impression, just 372 click, and just conversation is 105, and CTR is 1.69, and CR and earning my is 7 days is 3.12 USD dollar. So this ad network is very important if you not getting approval from Google AdSense, because if your website is download website or illegal website, just something like a software download or movie download or anything, you will provide the download link in your website. So this ad network is very important because the its ad is something like download link. If you open my anyone link in my website, so you will simply get a one ad here. Simply the user can here click, and just I have received the payment or earning from affiliate. Okay, so I here is the generate the ad tag. Here you can get a direct rotation link also, banner ad also, pop under and pop up ad also, redirect ad tag also. So there is the 4 type of ad. So I have just used this banner ad only because the I have already using my this ad network also, popular ad also in this same website. So I am just using here the banner ad. Okay, so this ad network I am getting the weekly payment, and here is the my proof of earning, and I'll just simply provide you the link. You can get just sign up here in this link through, and you will get a approval within a 2 hours only, and this is very good ad network. Okay, so if you have some download website, so please use this ad network. It is very high paying ad network, and it is the alternate of Google AdSense also. So this ad network and popular ad is both, the ad network is very good, and popular ad earning I will show you here the earning proof. I will just show you my earning proof here. Just like I am getting $80, $20, $23. So if you can't getting approval from Google AdSense, so you can use easily both the ad network mixing, and your revenue will be the highest of Google AdSense. So if this video is valuable, I will just provide this link of this ad network. So just sign up and start earning. And here is the affiliate also you can get, and the number of user is sign up from my link. So if you sign up from this link, I will getting the some commission from you also, and 3% commission I am getting from user who have sign up with my link. So here is my paid commission, here pending commission, and I have just received $0.18 from there. So active user, one is the active in Pakistan and Nigeria, and another is India. So that's all. And if you have any doubt, just comment me below, and I'll just provide a good technical videos. So do subscribe my video and like my video also. So thank you for watching, and bye bye.